Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making a marble cake. They call it a zebra cake. It is beautiful. It's very easy to make these beautiful designs and it's so fancy. Okay, so let's make it. It's really easy. Stay with me. Here's a bowl and I'm adding 2 room temperature eggs. That's important to this recipe, room temperature eggs. And this is 2/3 cup of granulated sugar. I'm adding it a little at a time and beating it with my electric mixer. Just mix it in, and you're going to mix it for about 2 to 3 minutes until it changes color and becomes foamy. See that? It does change color the longer you mix it. Now I'm adding 1/3 cup of canola oil. And if you have vegetable oil, go ahead and use that. That's fine too. Okay, so I mix that in and I'm no longer going to use my electric mixer. For now on, I'm going to fold in my ingredients. So this is a sifter. I'm adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And I'm going to sift in a little at a time the flour. Then I'm going to fold it together. I'm going to fold it in. Just mix it. And then I'm going to add some more flour. And I'm going to continue slowly combining my flour into my batter. Okay, just fold it in. So now this is milk, 1/2 cup of milk, and I'm just going to add it, half of it, and then I'm going to add the rest of it and just combine it until you don't see it anymore. Okay, and this is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And again, you just put it in. So that's all my ingredients. I have another bowl and I'm adding half of my batter. And to that, I'm going to sift in 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. Okay, I'm just going to mix that into my batter. So now I'm going to have 1 chocolate batter and 1 vanilla batter. When it's all mixed in, I have prepared a 9-inch cake pan. I sprayed it with a non-stick baking spray. And I'm going to start adding my batters, alternating the vanilla and the chocolate, just like this. And just keep on going. It starts to spread out. And just keep going until you don't have any more batter. And then you get a wooden skewer or a toothpick and you make a design like this. Isn't that beautiful? It comes out so good. Okay, so I have a 350-degree oven that's waiting, and I'm going to pop this in there for 30 to 40 minutes. But before that, what you're going to do is you're going to grab your pan and you're going to pop it against your countertop 2 times. That's it. That's going to break any bubbles inside. So I cooked mine for 30 minutes, and this is what I ended up with, a beautiful cake. Look at that. You can see the design on top. It looks very, very fancy, and it came out tasting really good. We will cut into it. Look at that. You can see the lines all through the cake. Okay, look at this. Look at those lines. I can't believe it. Okay, let me see. Tasty. You can certainly make this into like a loaf. I've seen a lot of people who make it into a loaf, but I loved the design of this cake. It's good cake. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.